Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sapati from 4A. Now, I want to tell you guys about my novel that I just read called The Woman Next Door. It is a novel by Barbara Deninsky, whose novel author that mostly talks about romance or family topic in her novel. So, before we jump to the story, let me give you some brief synopsis about this novel. The Woman Next Door is a romance novel by Barbara Deninsky that talks about three married couples. There are Amanda with Graham O'Leary, Karen with Lee Cotter, and the last couple is Georgia and Russ Blake. Okay, let me tell you the story of The Woman Next Door by Barbara Derinsky. The story starts with Amanda, a 30 years old lady married with a 36-year-old man called Graham O'Leary. Graham has many siblings. He has eight siblings, and Graham is the youngest child. Graham is said to be a widower and has been married since he graduated from high school. It is known that Graham's first wife, Megan, uh, their marriage was not going very well, that they decided to divorce. And when Graham is finally 36-year-old, he married again with a lady called Amanda. And they are married. Well, as a happy couple, as a couple, of course they want to have children, right? But unfortunately, after several years later, even for 5 years, they uh, they have consulted to 4 or 5 doctors, but unfortunately, Amanda is cannot get pregnant until right now for 5 years. Due to Amanda's failure in this case, Graham family is kinda disowned Amanda. Amanda disowned by the adults because while Abraham family is known as a family that has so many children, right? Graham is the youngest sibling of 8 siblings. So the adults of Graham family feels to disown Amanda. But fortunately, the siblings, the Graham siblings, is still love and still um and love Amanda as a part of a new member of their family. Amanda has done everything just so she can realize her dream to have children, such as taking some medicine to fertilize or having some sex schedule, but there's still no satisfaction result. Stressed about all of this that happened to Amanda, finally Amanda asked Graham permission to rest her body. Well, Amanda decided to do this because while she is stressed about 5 years of failing of having a children, so she decided to take a month off from Graham. The physical contact. Well, at first, Graham was kind of unhappy about her decision, but in the end, he agreed with his 5 choice. Next is about Amanda. Amanda's life began to fall apart from then on because Amanda is a school counselor, and one day he got visited by an athlete student called Queen Davis. Queen is consulting about Amanda about how bad his grades have been lately. But unfortunately, because Amanda cannot get Queen to talk about all of his stress and all of his problems, Queen decided to suicide. Queen was slitting his wrist in the school, and the news was so shocked on everyone. Everyone is so shocked because Queen is a unique individual. He's a famous athlete. He's a famous athlete, and after Amanda know this news, she becomes so sad very sad about the news. Even she helped with the funeral. When about this, Amanda is very stressed about all of the sad things that happens to her because, well, for the first one, the failure on her pregnancy, she fails to having a children or maybe pregnant in this case, yeah, and it is for 5 years and she still failed to having a children. And this and in this new case, even in this new case, Queen, her her studies is ended his life in suicide. She feels so depressed about all of the things that happened to her that she that she start to talk about and about the neighbors because she knew that that her neighbor is a widow. She's called Gretchen. So Gretchen is a widow, but the shock news is Gretchen is pregnant. She is pregnant, and they are. It is so weird because they think it is how how can be Gretchen is is still single, and how did she have the child, the pregnant? Everyone is so shocked about the news because Gretchen also didn't tell about the father. And finally, they assume that maybe one of the husband, it could be Graham or Lee or Russ, the three husband of the wife, is cheating on them. Well, everyone has their own motive. First, like with Graham impregnated Gretchen. Well, he kind of have the motive because he maybe he impregnated Gretchen because he feels so stressed about all of things that happened to him of having of still not having the chance of having a children. But uh when then there's a chance so she called impregnate Gretchen because of as a real stress really big for him. Well, next one is Russ and Georgia. Russ and Georgia are often apart because Russ is a house husband that and writer, while Georgia, the wife, is a CEO of her company. And Georgia will suspect with her husband, Russ, because because Russ and Georgia are often apart. Maybe Russ kind of feels lonely with the loneliness that happened to him, and he finally relieved his stress to sleep with Gretchen. And the last couple is Lee and Karen. Well, Lee and Karen at the first place is kind of unwell too. Yeah, they are having a fight because Lee and Karen often fight because Lee is known to be cheating on his wife, but Karen is is a nice girl. Is a nice wife that she always to the lead, and but they are still fight about the topic. Can also notice, can also well in 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 conclude, Karen is suspecting Lee so much because well yeah they're fighting and their son, uh Karen and Lee have a child called Jordy, and in this case Jordy feel guilty because Queen his was actually his friend. And it is turned out that Jordy had given Quinn alcohol, which caused him to become drunk and make him to training with drunk status. He felt guilty because he thinks that he was the reason why Quinn is suicide. He blames himself for Quinn's death. Well, Amanda, as a school counselor, of course, tries to get Karen to take Jordy to counseling, but he also refuses to admit that there is a problem until one day he disappears in one afternoon. Long story short, Jordy was found, and finally, Jordy is peace with his self, himself. After that, Amanda felt that maybe accusing Graham of being the father of Gretchen's baby was not true. She was just upset about everything that happened to her. Well, about the pregnant and her student, the queen suicide, she becomes so depressed. But finally, she able to having peace with Graham, her husband. And one day, Jordi also suspects that his father sleep with Gretchen. And afterwards, after all things happen, finally Karen kicks Lee out. Uh, Law divorce. The family finally stabilized. Georgia sold her company, sold her business, I mean, and chose to stay close with her family, with Russ and her children. She did that because she missed them so much, but her husband and her children. She knew that her children grew up without her, and she didn't want that to happen again. So Georgia decided to finally uh, sold her business to having a great time with her family, her husband, Ras, and her children. Long story short, finally, Gretchen gave birth. Amanda and other neighbors helped Gretchen, and they were happy with the baby. And when Amanda and Graham were at home in one evening, Gretchen's lawyer showed up in her house. Gretchen's lawyer is the lawyer that once she applied when her husband's death, Ben. And after that, they soon learn that maybe the Gretchen's lawyer was the father after all, was the father of Gretchen's sons. And finally, after all of this miscommunication, Gretchen finally admits that it is true, and she hasn't told anyone that the lawyer was the father. Yeah. So Graham and Lee and Russ was not the father. They are still with their wife. The father of Gretchen's baby is Gretchen's lawyer that one day she used. She hasn't told to anyone because after she slept with her lawyer, she never called him again, neither him, because they think that they are not good at relationship, that they are both afraid to contact each other again. Well, after her birth, it looked like that Gretchen and the lawyer is seems to maybe would make them work as a partner, as family. And yeah, so that is it. And oh yeah, in the end, the story ends with Amanda feeling strange because her period is kind of late. When she finally passed her pregnancy test in the test pack, she and finally when Graham arrives at home, Amanda announced that she was finally pregnant with Graham. That of course. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if I got misleading words that may be causing you some confusion. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.